This is what ignites me as the learner and gets me excited to start a new year.
Art is important because it's what makes us human, what makes your soul who it is.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Jervich, and welcome to the NKCES Arts Workshop.
You know, our tagline is all arts, all kids, and so we're trying to empower teachers to reach all students in all art forms, visual art, music, theater, and dance. And we're trying to reach and inspire those teachers today.
And to know that the Northern Kentucky Co-op has a dedicated arts person providing that rigorous, real, authentic arts education to teachers, it makes me so happy.
It's the highlight of my educational career. I would have been out of the classroom years ago if it wasn't for the opportunities that the co-op provides and the professional development that they've offered me. So it's really nice.
The arts are critical for our students. Research shows this, our experience shows this, for their social, their emotional, their relational growth, for their growth as a human.
Our fundamental principle of our program is that the arts communicate. They're a way humans communicate and a way humans have always communicated. So we don't just use our words, we use visuals, we use movement, we use music to communicate our ideas and feelings.
I'm here because I love my craft. I'm going into my 25th year of teaching and I have the same excitement that I did on my first year.
Because I think this is a really valuable tool that we've not had in the past as art teachers, as theater teachers, as music teachers, as dance teachers, to get together with other people and have something so thoughtfully curated.